lightning. I always want to get lightning at night. I fly a lot, but never get to see lightning at nighttime.
Sorry?
I said I fly a lot, but I never get to see lightning at night.
You trying to get a shot of it?
Yeah, so I'm recording. I always wanted to tape it. Wow.
Looks like we're getting it just before that storm does.
Yeah, or it might be going, I don't know which way it's going. Let me go east. It's probably already past here.
Come from the north to the south.
Yeah. Usually head east after that. Up here in Dallas, that is. Lights in here.
Wow, that was good.
Yeah. That must be Grapevine Mills Mall. The only mall I can think of out here. You know what? Yeah, we went DFW. So then if you land out in the boonies, it takes forever to taxi. But today it looks like we're landing close to the terminal, which is good. We're actually on the second runway over from the terminal. announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. The local time is approximately 8:21. We will be taxiing for a few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and carry-on items stowed until the captain does turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please remember to check your seating area, including your seat pockets for your personal belongings.
Wow.
Use caution when opening the overhead compartments, as items may have shifted during flight. For those customers carrying on items given to an agent while boarding, they will be returned to you as you exit the aircraft. Once inside the terminal, customer service representative will be available to assist you with baggage claim, gate information, and ground transportation.
There's a plane
Smoking
gonna
is
take off.
prohibited in the airport except in designated areas. On behalf of Continental Express, the Star Alliance network of airlines, and your entire Houston-based flight crew, thank you for flying with us today. It's been a pleasure, honor to have you on board. We look forward to serving you again on a future Continental Express flight.
Wow.
Thank you for not standing up. We are obviously not quite at the gate, and you all get an A+ on it. Thank you for your patience. You're now welcome to use cell phones and two-way pagers.
There's storms all around the place.